Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Oscr AI. So Oscr is an AI tool that gives you access to multiple AI tools on a single platform. So you can create a blog post, you can write a blog post. It could be just by using a topic, just by using a simple prompt, or you can also take inspiration from other blogs by using an URL or pasting that other blog URL on this platform, and then Oscr AI is going to create a new blog post by getting inspired from that. Other than that, it can also create LinkedIn post, it can translate your video, it can summarize video, it can give you the transcript of a certain YouTube video, you can even chat with a video. So there are multiple AI tools with Oscr AI, and there is also a discover section that gives you access to all the trending news as well as trending videos on YouTube. And Oscr is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, and currently it is on Plus exclusive status, but this status is going to end after 5 days. So after 5 days the price is going to increase. So currently the price is only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the tiers on top. The tier 1 is going to cost $69. It gives you 300 AI credits per month. On the tier 2, the credit is going to be 1k, and on the tier 3, the credit is going to be 2500. As for the YouTube video transcript length, it is 30 minutes on tier 1, 45 minutes on 2, and on the tier 3, you're going to get 60 minutes of video transcript length. And then there are also some other features such as this team collaboration and custom integration, but these two features are only available on tier 3. But other than that, there are also some more features such as access to all the AI tools, blog post generation, LinkedIn post generation, research report, YouTube video transcript, summary, video translation, content search and discovery, the trending section, as well as unlimited bookmarking. So if you want to buy Oscr AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. So once you log into Oscr AI, you are going to get a dashboard just like this one, and this is the get started page. So here are some steps in order to use your Oscr account. So first of all, obviously you have to create your account, and then you can create various content. It could be blog, or it could be LinkedIn post, or any other content that you want to create with Oscr. You can also discover various industry trends such as all the trending news or all the trending videos, and you can also infuse your brand voice, which means you can create a knowledge base where you can provide various information about your brand so that Oscr AI can personalize the content according to your brand. So this is how basically this AI tool is going to work. So in order to start using it, first of all, on the left side, we have to go to this workflows. So on here, you're going to get all the primary workflows of Oscr AI. So first of all, we have a blog post. We can generate a blog post using selected topics. So let me open this one. And now we have to provide what this blog post is about on here. I can also see the history, which means all the previous blog posts that I have generated. And I can also add various sources when I'm generating a blog post. For example, if I click on this, so now I can provide a URL. For example, it could be a URL of another blog. So I want to take inspiration from that. And for that, I have to provide the URL of that blog on this box and then simply click on add. And for example, I do not want to add the URL. All I have is the content of another blog. I have the writing piece. So I can also copy that writing piece and paste that content on this particular box in order to take inspiration from this content. So this is how I can add various sources like URL, or I can also add the content directly on this box. So I'm just going to close this particular box, and now all I have to do is provide my blog topic on here. For example, my blog post is going to be about how to stay fit in summer. So now all I have to do is just click on generate post. So the blog generation process has started, and it is going to take a few minutes in order to get finished. So let me see what I get from this blog post. Okay, so the blog post is taking some time to generate. So I'm just going to try some other workflows on here. So let me go back to this section. Okay, so the blog post has been generated. Now let me go once again back. Okay, so here is our blog post, and as you can see, here is the actual title, and then there is even a table of content, so I can see what content I have got from this blog post. And I think we even have an editor. So this is the blog editor or the text editor, so I can even edit this text however I want. And the best part is, once I select a certain text, for example, if I select this sentence, Now I can even use AI tools on this sentence. For example, I can rephrase this sentence, make it longer, shorter, translate it to some other language, or I can also expand this writing, continue the writing. I can also change the formatting, such as I can make it bold, italic, or something else. So this is amazing. We have got a very good text editor, and here is our full blog post. And I have to say this is a really good post, as you can see. And this is also a pretty long blog post. So we have got exactly what we wanted. And I think it has even exceeded the expectations, because I didn't really expected such a good blog post from here. And we even have some references at the end. So here's the full blog post that I have showed you. And as you can see, the blog post was really good. So this is basically how the blog post feature is going to work. All you have to do is just provide a short topic. You do not even have to provide much description. Just provide your topic and you are going to get a full blog post just like this one. And obviously you have the text editor and the AI tools in order to edit your blog post. Now you can copy this blog post to your clipboard in order to paste it somewhere else. You can also add it to bookmark so you can see it later. And the best part is you can even convert it to a LinkedIn post. So if I do that, now as you can see, we are on this create LinkedIn post section. So now we have added the source. So here is our source, the article that we just created using Oscr AI. This is our source for LinkedIn post. So now I have to provide some description or what kind of LinkedIn post I want from this. So now I can also add more sources if I want. I can also select a style. So here are some different styles. So here is the professional style, and then there are also some other styles that I can choose from here. I can also add various instructions. And now all I have to do is just click on generate a post. And as you can see, we have got the full post for LinkedIn. So this is perfect for LinkedIn. And if you know about LinkedIn, you cannot really write a long post because it is not supported on LinkedIn. So that's why it has shortened it to this particular post. And this is amazing. As you can see, how to stay fit in summer. There are these 5 ways. And on top, there is a very good intro. And also there is a very good outro with a question. And also share below. Let's inspire each other. So this is a really good post for LinkedIn. Now I can also once again select any text. And then I can also use the AI tools in order to rephrase longer, make the sentence longer or shorter, or continue writing. So this is how I can also edit this particular post. And at the end, I can see exactly what is the source for this post. And on top, there are some options such as I can mark it as a good response or bad. I can copy it to clipboard. I can regenerate if I do not like this particular post. I can also make it shorter and I can directly share it on LinkedIn. But this is currently set to English. This post is in English, but I can also translate it to some other language. For example, I want to translate it to, so I'm just going to click on translate. And as you can see how fast it is, now we have got a very good post. The post that I just generated, but now it is on French. If your audience is based on any other language other than English, you can also provide very good content for them just by translating that. So this is basically how the features on LinkedIn post are going to work. You can write what your LinkedIn post is about on here. You can add various sources, and the source could be YouTube URL or an article or a content that you have pasted on this box. And then you can also select style. It could be storytelling, or strong structure and list, or practical or professional. So you can choose any of these styles from here, and you can also add various custom instructions for your post in order to get a more personalized post. And then you can click on generate post to get your post. So now let me try the other workflows. And then we also have this create research report. So we can get a very good research report, a very in-depth research report on here. All I have to do is just provide the question, research question. So for example, I want to write a research report on this particular topic, economic impact of remote work. So all I have to do is just click on this research button. And now the process has been started, and once again it is going to take some work. So in the meantime, let me try some other features. So after this research report, we also have this transcribe video. So let me open this one. And now let me provide a YouTube URL, YouTube video URL on this box. So for example, I want to get the transcription of this particular video. So all I have to do is right click on this video and copy the video URL. Now let me go back to Oscr. And as you can see, I have pasted the URL. So now all I have to do is just click on add link. And as you can see, the link has been added. So now I have to choose the video language. So I'm just going to select English and then select this and click on transcribe. So now the transcription process has started. So as you can see, it was very fast. We have got the transcript. So now all I have to do is just click on view transcript. And here is the transcript. So on the right side, we have got a very good transcript, as you can see, of this particular video that I have added. So here is the full transcript. So now you can copy and paste this transcript, or you can even create a blog post from this transcript, or you can also add it to bookmark item. And also our research report is also ready. So I'm just going to go to this particular report. Let me see what we have got. So here's the report. As you can see, here is our full report. And this is a pretty good one. It also have provided some references and references on here as well. So here's a very good report. I wish this was a bit longer. This is how the research report feature is going to work. Okay, so now let me go back to this workflow. And now let me try this summarize video. For example, I want to summarize this particular video. So all I have to do is just click on this video and click on summarize. So the process has started. Okay, so the summary of this particular video is also ready. So I'm just going to click on view summary. And here's the summary on the right side. So first of all, on the summary, we have got some key points. So the key points were growing demand for tech job and focus on specialization. And then there are also some other points of summary such as in-demand tech careers, and then also conclusion and even the transcript. So we have got the full report on this particular video, including the summary as well as the transcript. So this is amazing. It works really well. I'm just going to go back to this workflows. And then there's also another feature that is called translate video. We can also translate any video. Just select the video and choose the language that you want to translate your video to. For example, I want to translate it to Chinese, and then click on translate. Okay, so the translation has also been complete. So I'm just going to click on view translation, and here's the translation. So the translation is perhaps based on the summary and the transcript. So here's the translation of this video on top on Chinese. So these are basically all the workflows that you are going to get on Oscr AI: blog post, LinkedIn post, research report, transcribe video, summarize video, and also translate video. But other than that, there is also this discovery feature. So here you can discover various trending news on a particular topic or some trending videos from YouTube on a particular topic. So let me try this news first. For example, I want to get some latest news or trending news about NBA, National Basketball Association. So I'm just going to type that word NBA, and I'm going to click on the search. As you can see, we have got some latest news or trending news about NBA. So this particular news was published about 15 hours ago. And here's another news. It was published about 2 hours ago. So this is how you can get all the trending news on a particular topic on here. And we can also browse on some other pages. So here are also some other news 7 hours ago, 4 hours ago, and then also 3 hours ago. So these are all the latest news. They are published in a very recent time. So you can also get inspiration from them or write a blog post or write something else on them. And if you want to open that, just click on this blog post. And now you can see the actual post on here. And here is the summary of this post. You can also get the translation. And the best part is, for example, you want to create a blog post from this news that is published a few hours ago. You can simply do that. Just click on create a blog post, or you can even also create a LinkedIn post from this particular article. And if you want to read this article, just click on here and it is going to take you to the original article. So this is how the discovery feed is going to work. You can use it in order to discover all the latest news or trending news or the trending videos. So in terms of videos, for example, I want some videos about AI. So I'm just going to type AI on here, and then I'm going to select YouTube and click on search. So as you can see, we have got all the latest videos, all the trending videos on AI. So this was published 9 hours ago, this 1 day ago. So these are all the latest videos about AI. And the best part is, if I like any particular video or a particular news on here, I can also add it to bookmark in order to read it later. I can also make it not interested, and I can also sort it by views. And for example, I want to save this particular video. So this item has been saved. So now if I go to this bookmarks, and currently I am on this news section, but the content that I just saved, that was video. So I'm going to get that on this YouTube section. And as you can see, this particular video that I saved, it is now appearing on this bookmark section. So now I can open this video. I can create a blog post based on this video, or even create a LinkedIn post. I can also add it to download or watch the original video. And here's the transcript of the video and also the translation of this video. And here's the summary of this video. And then on the left side, there is also this knowledge base. So on this knowledge base, we can add various knowledges about my brand in order to get personalized content. So it could be any audio source or any other source. So all I have to do is just click on add knowledge source. Now I have to provide the title of the source and also the format and select the language, and then I can save the file directly from Google Drive. And make sure your Google Drive file you want to add is publicly accessible. So once you add a file on this knowledge base, the AI is going to learn from that file in order to make sure the content that it generates, it matches the file that you have uploaded, which means it matches your knowledge base. So overall, Oscr AI is an excellent tool that lets you automate your inbound marketing with various content. This is a very powerful AI-powered content toolkit. It has almost all the tools that you need for inbound marketing, such as you can write a blog post, LinkedIn post, you can also translate various YouTube videos, you can get the transcript from a video, you can summarize video. So there are multiple features that are going to be super useful when you want to run your inbound marketing effectively. So if you want to buy Oscr AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these tiers, and on the left side, you are going to get all the features that you have.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.